springtime. A human male has made a comfortable home for himself in the middle of the forest. Like so many inhabitants of these woods, this season has urged him to find a mate. In order to mark his territory, he scatters small bits of polymer along with other scraps of synthetic rubble. This is his way of showing his strength and virility. It may not look like much, but over 500,000 trees a day are subject to this practice. Since all else has failed to attract a female, this male has to pull out the big guns. As a last resort, he covers himself and his vicinity with an oily liquid, hoping for the female to catch his smell. Alas, these actions do not have the desired effect, leaving this human male alone, soiled, and with a dirty habitat